Hi friends, today let's learn how to highlight the duplicate values in Excel. So here we are not removing the duplicate values or neither we are doing a VLOOKUP or any other Excel functions to do this job. We are simply using the inbuilt functions of Excel. So let's get started. Let's say I have numbers 100, 200, 300, 400 and let me repeat 200 once again. So what I'll do is I'll just select these cells, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rule and then duplicate values, and you can change the color whatever you want to. I'll just keep the default one. So as you can see the 200 is highlighted, that means these are the duplicate values in the column. So let me try, I'll add one more value. Let me add 400 so that it turns pink again. Yeah, it does. So this is a very cool trick. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.